Hi, I'm Dr. Carrier. I've come from the UK to train here in Pakistan with Dr. Humayun. Before I came here, I did have a few reservations about staying in Pakistan for such a long period of time. Grew up in the UK and you're influenced by the media. You obviously associate Pakistan with some things that aren't necessarily true. However, having been here for months now, I realized that all my reservations were completely false. The people have been incredibly warm and hospitable. I've never felt unsafe at any point. Islamabad's a beautiful, green, very calm, quiet city. It's been a pleasure being here in Pakistan. It's really opened my eyes being here and I don't regret it at all. If anybody wanted to come here to visit or to do the fellowship, I would highly recommend it.